Hello all, my name is Krishnak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this particular video, we will be discussing about a word which is called as Atmanirbhar. Yes, many of you have actually heard this particular term. Recently, our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji had actually used this term when he was addressing the nation. Now, if you go to the Google and search about Atmanirbhar meaning in English, you will basically find three words. One is self-dependent, the second one is self-sufficient, and the third one is self-sustainable. Now, if you have these three main techniques in you, three main qualities in you, trust me, you will be in high demand. Okay, with respect to the skills, with respect to the ethics that you have. Considering this, guys, understand I also want to specify a important difference. Many people are actually trying to transition towards data science, and you're having a learning pattern where you're learning machine learning algorithms, deep learning algorithms, you're implementing with the help of code. Considering this, guys, but suppose if you're clearing this interview by this and you're going to the real world industry to work in actual use cases, at that time many of you will be seeing the difference, guys. In real world industries, all the projects are just not focused on implementing models. Okay, let it be with the help of machine learning techniques or deep learning techniques. But there, the main thing will be to create an AI application. Okay, now when I say an AI application, that basically means end-to-end projects. And inside that, you will be using various things. You may be using some kind of big data framework. You may be using some kind of cloud framework, some cloud servers you'll be using. You may be using some amount of GPUs to train your models. You may be using different kind of databases. Most common databases, MongoDB, SQLite, SQL databases, both structured and non-structured databases. And after creating your model, you also have to deploy that model with the help of Dockers. And probably after that, you need to scale your model, and probably you may be using Kubernetes. So all these particular techniques are actually used in the real world industry. And some of the people that I have already heard from, right, when they were actually learning data science, they learned in a different way, and when they are going to the industry, they are finding some more new challenges. Now, considering this, and many of my subscribers have also requested this, they have told that, Krish, this is the difference that we are finding. Now, considering this, guys, I will try to upload some more important things in my video now. Probably after 1 month from today, right, we will be moving towards the complex side. The complex side basically means like I will try to show you some end-to-end application, how we can actually implement. I'll try to introduce you to some CI/CD servers. I'll be trying to introduce you to some Git repository where you can actually commit through Git itself. Then that whole framework, whole pipeline will try to develop. Now you may be thinking, Krish, why 1 month? Because guys, there are a lot of subscribers in my channel who wants to learn things from basics, right? Considering this, I have already started moving towards the complex side. The best example is I have started the Docker playlist. 4 tutorials are already been uploaded, right? Now considering this, tomorrow morning tutorial 5 will be uploaded. Again, some amount of editing is left, so that will also be completed. Now in Dockers, you can see that I'm trying to move towards the complex side, how we actually work in the real world industry. Because once we implement that, after that we'll go towards Kubernetes. We'll try to solve all machine learning techniques, NLP techniques, NLP projects. We'll also try to solve deep learning projects. Now considering this, guys, now it's the time that you should start clearing your basics out. You also have to learn some other tools like MongoDB. I'll also try to integrate with MongoDB, and there were also many comments from you all, with respect to, Krish, when you do the deployment, then how do you see the performance of that particular model? How do you monitor that particular model? And how do you retrain that particular model? Considering this, guys, I am going to create the end-to-end application, and yes, probably after Dockers and Kubernetes, I will be moving to CI/CD pipelines also. So we will be moving one step higher every time once I complete a specific playlist. Why I'm trying to do this, guys? I'm trying to make you all capable of Atmanirbhar. That is, you need to be self-dependent, you need to be self-sustainable, and you need to be self-sufficient. So anywhere you go, do any kind of work with respect to the companies, then at least you should have that particular experience. You should not have that fear that you cannot do, right? So considering this, I will try to implement all these things, guys, and probably I'm giving a 1 month gap, and we'll make a slowly transition towards that complex sides. There are a lot of topics that are also remaining in deep learning, guys, more advanced topics. Like yesterday you saw that I've already started uploading regarding LSTM practical implementation. I'm preparing videos with respect to encoder, decoders, bidirectional LSTM. So every day one or the other video will be coming up. I would like to request you all, please keep learning, because this is the time where you need to upskill your skill, guys. Become good enough so that even though you clear the interviews, you are able to work in a smoother manner, right? And once you have this qualities in you, trust me, you will be the most demanded person in the industry, in any industry that you go, right? So this is what I really want to specify. There are a lot of things going to come in my YouTube channel, guys, and I'm making sure that you learn a lot. Probably after Docker, you'll be seeing the magic of Kubernetes, how it is actually used in a wonderful way, right? So that I've actually seen. See, I did not learn this all things from start, guys. I also came from a different background. So I implemented these things and then I started learning things. I really want to share this particular knowledge with you all so that you gain some experience, you gain that confidence when you are actually working in the real world industry. That is the thing that is lagging around. And I'm going to make sure that I take those things, that even though you clear the interviews, you will be able to work in the IT industries in a better way, right? So yes, this was all about this particular video. I would really request you to share my channel with everyone, guys. Tell them, yes, these all videos are there. Tell them to go and watch, because this will definitely be helpful. Tell them the examples of Dockers. Many of the people don't know what Dockers is. They are still stuck in machine learning and deep learning algorithms, creating models, and they're happy with it. Don't let them stop there. Become more proficient in this technology itself. Try to learn different tools and techniques. And yes, after 1 month, we will also be developing an end-to-end application considering various tools. Considering various tools, considering various databases. And one better thing that I would like to say, you guys, just try to solve some examples. Like suppose if you have 10 to 15 CSV files in some of the hackathons and Kaggle competition, you get this kind of problem statement. Try to take all those data, store it in some databases, and then you extract that data and try to create a model or do the training of your model. So start preparing yourself, because once when I'll reach there where I'll be implementing end-to-end projects, you'll be seeing this kind of examples a lot, right? Now considering this, guys, this was all about this particular video. Please do subscribe the channel if you have not already subscribed. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you one and all. Bye bye.